Karibu waziri. Salama sana sana. Yeah. Nitaomba viongozi, tutaingia tu wachache kwa sababu yana nafasi yetu, wajumbe waingie. Nafasi yetu ikishajaa wengine.
The regional commissioner.
Sawa sawa.
The regional commissioner anacho nje. Sasa.
Yes. Okay.
Madam mingi. Kwa nataka mkubwa wangu.
Madam mingi.
Which will take only 7 minutes. We shall walk out. They shall do a tree planting. Our tree planting has one for the RC, one for the governor, one for the MP, one for our PS, and then the CS. Our CS will plant ceremoniously, and then the 4 will plant at once, and I will be guiding that. After the tree planting, we'll have a group photo, sir. 4 sets of group photo. Photo 1 will be the CS, the PS, and the county leadership. That is the governor, the team from the county, that is the Mheshimiwa, and the MCs who are present here. Photo 2 will be the CS, the PS, and Huduma team, their CEO and the team. Photo 3 will be the CS, the PS, the DGNYS, the chairman, and the team. And then our last photo will be the CS, the PS, the RC, the county commissioner, and the Ngao team. That will have factored it 5 minutes. After that, we'll do, after the tree planting, we'll do the groundbreaking. At the groundbreaking, we have given it 10 minutes, then the photo session 5 minutes, then we'll have a walk led by the Salvation Army Band, which will take us like 10 minutes to the ground where we are. Once we get the ground, sir, we have a linear demonstration of what Huduma does, and the sagas, the 6 of them, will be taken through on a linear way, but 2 have been identified where we'll take a bit of some time, which is 4 minutes, 4 minutes, that is 8. After that, sir, we'll proceed to the dais. Our Huduma choir will lead us in the national anthem and the East African community anthem. We'll be led in a word of prayer. We'll have 3 sets of entertainment, each taking a brief of 2 minutes each, that is 6 minutes. And after that, a welcome remark by the PS, Karibu sana bana PS, Mr. Amos Gadesha. Then the area MP will make a remark and introduce all the other elected leaders, that is Mheshimiwa Karemba. Then Her Excellency will do her remarks and introduce the county leadership. It will be taken, the governor will invite you to make your remark. And then after the remark, will be at liberty for you to tell us whether to go home or to remain. Karemba will advise. Yes, sir. So maybe I can give the local leadership a minute and the CEO. Yes, sir.
That program, how does it take?
Yes, we've synchronized. We've synchronized with the pre is taking like 45 minutes. So by the time the 45 minutes is ending, we go on.
So what will happen here is that they will take photos here. They'll be running them before we go home.
What are we going to do?
At 10:45.
What time is it?
10:30. So we have factored that.
But you see, 10:45, where are we going to be?
What will happen here is they will take the recording here. It will be running. So the live will start earlier because the recording here will be going on as we move on. Yes, to start there.
Yes,
that's what we're
Now the other problem is, you know, the Waislamu
Yes.
wanakoja.
We will factor that. We will factor
So
that.
amesema just give her a room there in between before she leaves without disrupting the rest of the block. Tunaweza kuachia mheshimiwa. She doesn't mind making her remarks in the middle.
So, Waziri, karibu sana. I think everything is ready. We are all set for the occasion. And this project is a project that has really excited this community. And every other person I have met in the last 1 month has been waiting for this project. So thank you for showing up and coming on time. Tuko pamoja.
I'm happy to be back.
Karibu.
I was a DO in Manyata 30 years ago, 1994. And my last station.
When we talk about founding fathers, imagine wale watoto wako pale wakisikia lazima wasike pale wakisikia ikitakuwa ni historia hawajasoma.
And then this was my last station as a county commissioner in the field before I went back to Nairobi. Therefore, I'm excited to come back. I'm also excited that we're having this Huduma Center being established here. I think it's a very big plus for people.
Oh yes, it is.
And the community.
Yeah.
And for us as a ministry, because our ambition is to have as many Huduma centers as possible. I think the next one we are going to break is in Moro. I think we get a date.
So next week we will have
Okay, so it's very exciting for us. Whenever we see Huduma Center. Yes. And the RC is here, and the county commissioner, I told them that you're coming. And I'm happy that they have honored us with their presence. And it must be the DCC.
Yes, yes.
So this region is
Region Eastern.
how is it? So tuambie mambo ya project.
This is a very big project. Lots of the issues. It needs to combine both the Huduma Center and the digital hub. Very passionate about what's going on. Number two, it's a fast collaboration together with national government. Because moving forward, we have said we are going to work toward the constituency. So this is a demonstration of the collaboration between your office, the ministry, and the CDFT, which will fast track the rolling out of Huduma centers nationally across all the constituencies. I think it's going to add on to the issue of youth employment, which you're very passionate about. I was seeing your speech recently, Mario, where you said you need to teach the young people how to fish, not to give them fish. And this is one of those projects that will facilitate that. Because if they are thinking about registering a business, they can come to a Huduma Center. If they want to get a KRA pin, they can come to a Huduma Center. If they want them to go to the hub online to do those jobs that are available, they will be able then to be facilitated. Finally, I think for the CS, it is a big collaboration with the DG and NYS, where NYS will be building the entire facility, and we're looking forward to
You know, you put it in bracket there. They are in after referred to as a contractor.
So there is the father of the contractor. Yes, I'll allow my senior to say something, and we'll close it out. Okay,
Thank you very much, Waziri. Maybe to take up from where he is. We have trained the last 5 years about 1,663, 1,773 NYS called to come here. And those are the ones that we have trained and the ones that we shall collaborate with in this construction.
But the ones from this community.
From this community, from this county who have graduated
And
our servicemen, wherever they are. What is critical in our system is our focus is on patriotism. Also, because of what the PS was saying, these are people who don't know what is Kenya, what is our identity, what is our national purpose, what is our interests, and all that are in the Constitution. So we normally focus on constitutional criteria. And then we give them the ability to do what is right as an individual and what is right as a team. And then we give them the skills that they want. So those ones are the ones who will collaborate here to work together for labor purposes. We shall not bring it, but then there will be a collaboration so that those who are doing that labor are guided by NOIS, and then they understand the issues of discipline.
Have you started them already?
No, because it's we have to. That has to be done with the local.
Also, you are doing that from NOIS,
and then mainly because he's the one, because they must come from here.
Yes.
So how come you need to share the data?
We even have a lot of them who are already reaching out to us.
Excellent.
We have the data.
Yes.
We'll give you the data.
Yes. Including this
I
morning.
don't mind the people coming from
Yes.
but strictly they must be ex
Yes.
Yeah. There is a data you'll be given.
Okay.
You're gonna give it.
There are quarter of a million people who have gone through NYS and they are out there right now.
But for him it's 1,763.
Yes.
So you'll be given that data. And then it's up to you. We cannot say.
The last time I tried to get this data, your people are these are his people. There is water.
No, he will get you. No, we have said.
I need to have this data so that I can distribute it to the local leaders and tell them what to do with them.
And on the same Waziri, they should not disappoint on that aspect of labor, because I am the chair labor committee in the National Assembly. So all aspects labor should be properly organized. And then again, yes.
Tell them, there's a certain constitution called Runyenges.
Yes.
I think the indulgence of the Cabinet Secretary, Mr. Chair, that we need to move now to the next level.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yes. Mr. PS, Mheshimiwa tafadhali, and the Director General. The PS, yes sir. I also request Mheshimiwa na yeye endelee kupanda yake tafadhali. The last one will be done by the Ngao team, then by the regional commissioner. Let us appreciate our PS, Bwana Amos Gadesha kwa makofi. Thank you sir. Mheshimiwa naye anaendelea kupanda na regional commissioner wetu. Thank you Mheshimiwa. Thank you Bwana RC. Thank you. Thank you. Our next step now will be the photo. I'll request that we proceed to the photo area.
Thank you, Ban. Baada ya mgeni wetu rasmi, waziri wetu kupanda mti, nitaomba sasa tuingie kwenye kipindi cha picha. Wale wengine tusalie na kuwa nawaelekeza. Nitaomba tungoje kidogo tu. I'll request the local leadership, waheshimiwa wale wako wajumbe, and also the members of the county assembly, kindly to frank the first photo. Let us frank the photo. Leadership of the county leadership. Katie, our first photo. Are we on? Main camera, raise your hand so that I can work with you. Main camera, thank you, let's go. Are we okay? Thank you. I'll request the leadership of the county to leave, but the CEO to be left, so that the Huduma team can join their CEO. Huduma team, the leadership. Huduma team, kindly, two of you can sit at the end. Let us have some ladies balance here. Tumeka wanaume 1 million. 2 ladies here. Thank you. That's our main team, Huduma team. Tunamalizia Huduma, harakisha kama unafika. Main camera, are we okay? Kidogo tu, we are not balanced. Are we okay? Tuangalie camera, it's a good smile for the day. Are we good? Main camera, thank you so much. Huduma team waondoke tupate DG NYS and the NYS team. DG NYS, the chairman, and also the team. Chairman, kindly balance the other side. That's okay. That's fine. That's okay, DG. NYS, wale ambao tuko karibu tupate picha na waziri wetu. Get closer to the camera. I mean to the photo. Thank you. Main camera, let's go. Thank you so much. I will request the DG and the team to leave. We have the RC and the Ngao team. The RC and the Ngao team. Ngao wote, chiefs, DCCs, the security team, wote si Ngao waingie kwa hiyo picha. Tuharakishe kidogo chiefs tafadhali, muda unakimbia sana. Let us balance. Are we balanced, cameraman? No. Tusonge kidogo. Bendi kidogo, band kidogo. Yes.
atakuja kwa nyasi. Hapo ndio wifi
No,
so even the entire M can come.
Wakati huu mgeni wetu rasmi, waziri wetu Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria, Cabinet Secretary Minister of Public Service for Performance and Delivery Management, anavalishwa magwanda rasmi ili kuweza kuvuja ardhi ili tuweze kuanzia siku ya leo utendakazi na ujenzi wa Huduma Digital Center uweze kuanza. Kwa hivyo naona waziri pamoja na katibu wetu na CEO wetu wako tayari sasa kutekeleza jukumu ambalo ni ground breaking, ukipenda kuvuja ardhi. Wale tuko mbele ya jembe tafadhali tuondoke. Wale tuko mbele ya jembe tuondoke tafadhali. Naona operator anamwelekeza waziri wetu taratibu. Akitazama kwa karibu ni PS wetu Bwana Amos Gadesha, bila kusahau mjumbe wetu Mheshimiwa Karemba ambaye vile vile amevaa mbili sasa, ana white mbili. Mwakilishi wetu wa kinadada women rep wetu vile vile yuko nasi. Waziri wetu anaingia taratibu. Naomba wale tuko mbele ya jembe tuondoke kidogo. Ustadi mwingi Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria analiweka jembe chini na kuvunja ardhi. Sasa Huduma Digital Center yetu tayari imekwisha anzishwa rasmi na waziri wetu Kuria, katibu wetu anamtarisha kushuhudia, iji wetu CEO na hata mwenyekiti wote wakiwa mashahidi. Nitaomba sasa tutafuatana kwa msafara polepole katika foleni mbili.